Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Sorento brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 brake light bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. Next, open the rear liftgate to gain clear access to the tail light assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process for your brake light. Now let's access the tail light assembly. You'll find two Phillips head screws holding it in place on the inner side. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It might feel a little snug, but it will release from its clips. With the tail light assembly detached, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the brake light bulb socket. It's typically the largest one. Twist this socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it, then pull it straight out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out. Insert your new 7440 bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring a secure fit. To finish up, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise to lock it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle body until it clicks into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier. Finally, have someone press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.